After entering the stocks, only the company admin or the company login from the company login, the sale price can be set. Okay, so you can see that the sale price is 00 right now, and now I am in company login. Okay, so from company login only the company can set the sale price, as well as you can edit some more properties like the description, sale price, and remarks based on requirement. Okay, there is no editable field, only this. So if you want to change the remark, anything he can enter here. He have to set the sale price, suppose 1200. He can change the description also based on requirement if you want. Okay, so let's change the wall. Okay, for now this is, and then save. So you can see the sale price has updated. Okay, you can filter out it from sold, unsold, damaged, returned, cleared. Right now there is nothing, so only is unsold. You can search from here water pump. Okay, if you want you can change the sale price also, suppose 12,000. Okay, um, we put here 22,000. Save it. So the price is updated. If you go there, you can see. Let's make it 15, and you can see everything here. Let's update this also. Okay, make some remarks. So remarks is also saved. In this way, the company admin can update the sale price from his login. This access is not given to the operator, only the uh, company login. From the company login, the company can update the sale price and update the stock details.